So I took my sponsorship money and I bought Capture the Flags. 5 people are going to win 6 months access to tryhackme. 5 people are going to win 6 months access to Hack the Box during this giveaway. 2 people are going to win 12 months access to ITProTV, and 10 people are going to win ITProTV merch. I think this is a fantastic giveaway. Big shout out to ITProTV for sponsoring this video. They've also sponsored a number of other videos. I'm taking some of my sponsorship money and I'm going to buy more stuff to give to you. As I said previously, I want to get sponsors to sponsor my channel so that I can give you more stuff, and this is only the beginning. Now, one of the big issues I have with giveaway videos is people only watch the first part of the video and then they click off. So what I've done is I've hidden the Capture the Flag links in this video. So see this as part of the process of learning to capture the flag. You need to find the hidden links in this video if you want to win 6 months access to tryhackme or 6 months access to Hack the Box. First challenge is that you find the links buried in this video. Now, one of my big goals this year is to reach 1 million subscribers on YouTube. That means that you need to be a subscriber to win one of these giveaways. So make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel, make sure that you like this video and click on the bell to get notifications. Some giveaways require that you need to be quick to win. So if you don't click on the bell to get a notification, you may miss out on some of the giveaways. But to make this more interesting, I'm going to be giving away my Wireshark packet analysis and ethical hacking course. Some people comment on these videos, "David, I never win anything." Sorry, but I can only give away as much as I can. So if you don't win one of the big prizes, sorry, not much I can do about that. I am using an algorithm to randomly select the winners of these giveaways. Thousands of people enter and only a small percentage can win one of the big giveaways. But to make sure that everyone gets access to something or wins something, I'm giving away courses like my Wireshark course. So use the link below if you want to get access to my Wireshark course. Anyone can get access to that course. But the first 1,000 people that click on the link below will get access to my CCNA course. I'll be disabling that coupon code once 1,000 people have registered for the course. This is one of the reasons why you need to click on the bell to get notifications so that you know when I upload a video. You need to be quick for some of these giveaways. Now, 2 people are going to win 12 months access to ITProTV. This is their standard membership. You get access to over 5,800 hours of training. ITProTV have a very large library. Doesn't matter if you're studying for CCNA, perhaps you're studying for CISSP or CEH, or you're studying Python, or you're studying for Cisco DevNet. They have a whole bunch of courses that you can access on their platform. So 2 people are going to win 12 months access to ITProTV. Use the link below to enter. 10 people will also win ITProTV shirts. Use the link below to enter. Because of their sponsorship, I am able to buy CTFs to give to you. Because of their sponsorship, I'm able to do more stuff on YouTube, concentrate on creating more free content, buying stuff like network adapters. In this video, I covered a whole bunch of network adapters. Because of sponsorships like this from ITProTV, I'm able to buy stuff and demonstrate stuff. I'm also able to give away more stuff. So I really want to thank them for their sponsorship. In addition, I'm going to be interviewing Daniel. I've previously interviewed Daniel in videos like this where we talk about his first hacking certification, but now we're going to get practical. He's going to show us his favorite hacking tools. One of the first ones is SQL injection. He's going to show us how to hack SQL databases. He's also going to show us how to use Burp Suite and other things for penetration testing. So look out for those videos. It's going to be a very practical, hands-on demonstration of hacking tools. I want him to show us how we can quickly leverage tools to do things. So his favorite penetration testing hacking tools is what we're going to cover in the upcoming videos. Now, I don't just want to focus on hacking, so expect more networking videos, expect more Linux videos, expect videos covering other disciplines such as programming with Python, network automation, things like that. Please comment below with which videos you'd like me to create. Now, I didn't want to make this too difficult. Use this link to enter the tryhackme giveaway. 5 people will win 6 months access to tryhackme, and use this link for Hack the Box. 5 people will win 6 months access to Hack the Box. So again, use those links if you want to enter to win either tryhackme or Hack the Box. I'm David Bombal. I want to wish you all the very best.